Hello students. After 3.3, let us start 3.4. In 3.4 says that solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. That means we have one question, problem number 1, as you can see, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So in 3.3 you studied that substitution method. I have explained 3 methods to you, but in 3.3 you studied only substitution. But now you are going to learn elimination method. After that we will learn cross multiplication method. So let us start elimination method. In substitution method, what we did is we took equation 1 and we transfer it. For example, the given equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Equation 2. So in substitution method, what we did, we took equation 1 from equation 1 and we will transfer, maybe x or y will transfer, and we will make equation 3. And that equation 3 we will substitute in equation 2. That is substitution method. Since we are going to substitute, so substitution method. But now it is elimination method. Elimination means what? We need to eliminate the value. Okay, one x or y from the two variables. One variable we need to eliminate. How will eliminate? You see, this is x and this is 2x. We need to cancel these two in this way. But it is x and it is 2x. It is double. We cannot do that. When we go for y we can see here single y and here how many? 3y. It is plus here minus. We can cancel it, but it is 3y and it is only y. So we can't do that. So we are doing it. We will multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1, coefficient of x. This is called coefficient of x. This is called coefficient of y, and this one you know, which is constant. That means coefficient of x is how much? 2, and the coefficient of y is how much? Minus 3. So you can multiply it here by 2. You can take the coefficient of y also, no problem for that, or coefficient of x also, both. But better to take coefficient of x because both of them are positive here. So we'll make the negative and cancel it. So when we go for multiplication, we will multiply equation 1 by 2. Equation 1, this all the equation by equation 1 by 2. Look at here. Equation 1, this all by 2. Similarly, we need to multiply equation 2 also by 1 because here nothing is there. As I told you, here nothing means 1 is there, right? 1. So we'll multiply by 1. So we need to write multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. Multiplying or multiply, we don't see the grammatically. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1 because equation 1 we are multiplying by 2. So equation 1 by 2. Equation 2 we are multiplying by 1. So equation 2 by 1. Then the equations will become, then what equations will become? When we multiply 2 into x, so 2x plus, so plus, again 2 into y, so 2y is equal to, so is equal to, again 2 into 5, so 10. Similarly we will do for this one also. 2x and into 1, so it is 2x only because if you multiply 2 into 1 is 2, x into 1 is x. Minus, okay, so minus. Now 3y into 1, so 3y is 3y. Now this is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. That means this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. We are getting equation 3 and equation 4. So we will subtract these two. Okay, now subtracting. Subtracting equation 4 from 3. Subtracting equation 4 from 3. You can do 3 from 4 also, 4 from 3 also. But if you write 4 from 3 means exact will copy here. But if you write 3 from 4, that means you need to write this one first and this one second. Keep in mind that 4 from 3, if you write 4 from 3, this is the correct one. And because if you write 4 from 3 means exact we will copy here. So when we will copy here, I hope we can see it. Yes. So let me to do it here. When we do it here, same we will copy here. So 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Since we wrote here subtracting, we need to change the sign, opposite. So here plus, that means it is minus. Here minus, so plus. Here plus, so minus. This method you know from chapter 2. I hope you know from chapter 2, isn't it? Chapter 2, polynomials, when we did it, the division, we used to write the opposite sign of the base. This 2 is always cancelled because plus into minus minus, 2 minus 2 is gone. Here plus, so plus plus, simply plus. So 2y, 3y, that means total we are getting 5y. Here plus, here minus, plus into minus minus, that means 10 minus 4, we have 6. So we have y is equal to 6 by 5. We can reduce it, but since we cannot, so leave it in this way. Now, after this we need to do putting. We got the value of y. We got the value of y, but still we need to find the value of x. Then we'll do putting. Putting y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1. You can take equation 2 also, no problem. Putting in equation 1, putting y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1. I took equation 1. You can take 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, anywhere. Here no restriction, not like substitution method. You need to take only the substituting the value of 3 in 2 like that. It is compulsory for 2. But here it is, you can take equation 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, whichever whenever if you think this is convenient. Because I am taking here equation 1. Why? Because we have only few numbers here. If I take 2 means 2, 3, again multiplication, so many things are there. So better to take the smallest equation. So we have x plus y. X plus y is equal to 5. So x, we are searching x. So x we don't know. Then we have x is equal to 5. We will transfer y here plus. So this side minus. So minus. But y is how much? 6 by 5. So we will write 6 by 5. So we are getting 6 by 5. I hope you can see. Yes. Now that means we are getting x is equal to 5 is 5. When we multiply 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25, and 25 minus 6 is 19. So it is the confirmed value of x is 19 by 5 and the y is 6 by 5. Okay. So at the end, therefore, I'm not writing, please you write down at the base because I don't have the place. Since the value of, therefore the value, hence the value of x is 19 by 5 and the value of y is 6 by 5. There is a solution for question number 1, Roman number 1. Similarly, you try to do Roman number 3, 4 and all. Okay. Same method, elimination. No need to do the